Alright, yo, so check this out. What if I told you there was a way to possibly get more FPS out of your current graphics card and you don't gotta spend any money, you don't gotta upgrade your GPU, you can literally just do it right now and it's gonna take you like less than 5 minutes. So look, check this out. To get this done, all you're gonna need is an overclocking software, and no, you're not gonna overclock anything. All you're gonna do is mess with the power limit and a temp limit. And if you're probably asking yourself, well, why am I gonna mess with any power limit or temp limit? Isn't that like literally overclocking? To answer your question, no, that's not overclocking. Remember, overclocking is when you're manually increasing core and memory clock speeds beyond what the manufacturer sets so you can achieve higher performance, which we're not gonna do that. So basically, when you're adjusting your temp and power limit, you're telling your GPU that it can operate at higher temperatures and pull more power before it starts throttling down its performance. Now, this doesn't really directly increase your clock speeds, it just tells your GPU, hey, we have enough available headroom to maintain higher clock speeds for longer periods of time, which potentially could lead to better performance. And the cool thing is, if you decide you do want to overclock, well, you'll have a more stable overclock by doing this. That's why we're going to increase the power limit and the temp limit. So what I would do if I were you, go ahead and click on this button to link up your power limit and temp limit. Once you've linked up both power limit and temp limit together, go ahead and raise your power limit slider all the way to the end. Now your GPU knows that it has more available power to draw. Also, it's going to know that the temp limit is now increased to 88 degrees Celsius, so it's not going to start scaling back on performance until it reaches this temperature. That, my friends, is how you possibly could increase your FPS without even upgrading or overclocking.